Hello everyone, and welcome to today's discussion on making money online in 2024. With the rapid advancements in technology, the way we generate income has drastically changed. In this talk, we'll be highlighting some effective ways to make quick money in the new year. First, let's talk about the importance of having a solid online presence. In 2024, having a professional website or a digital store is more crucial than ever. With the rise of e-commerce, more people are turning to the internet to sell their products and services. To make money online, you need to create a captivating website that showcases your products or services and makes it easy for customers to make purchases. Next, let's discuss the power of social media marketing. In 2024, social media continues to be a powerful tool for making money online. By creating engaging content and promoting your products or services on social media platforms, you can reach a wider audience and drive traffic to your website. Some popular social media platforms for making money online include Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Make sure to create high-quality content that resonates with your target audience and focuses on providing value to your followers. Another effective way to make money online in 2024 is by setting up affiliate marketing campaigns. This involves partnering with companies or websites that sell products or services you're interested in. When someone makes a purchase using your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. To get started with affiliate marketing, you'll need to find products or services that align with your niche and create content to promote them. Remember to always provide value to your audience and focus on building trust with your potential customers. In addition to these strategies, there are many other ways to make money online in 2024. For example, you can consider starting a blog, offering freelance services, or starting a virtual assistant business. The key is to find something that you're passionate about and that aligns with your skills and interests. Lastly, let's not forget the importance of building an online presence. In 2024, it's more important than ever to have a strong online presence that showcases your expertise and value to your potential customers. This can be achieved through regular content creation, social media marketing, and building a trustworthy online reputation. In conclusion, making money online in 2024 is more accessible and easier than ever before. By creating a solid online presence, using social media marketing effectively, and exploring various affiliate marketing strategies, you can turn your passion into a profitable online business. So, go ahead and start making money in the new year. Your online success is just a few clicks away.